Is the auto function for label attaching on your machine not working? No worries, let's fix it in just a few easy steps. First, locate and press the M button on the interface. You'll see this square box symbol appear on your screen, indicating the box label stitch is activated. Press the M button once for box label stitch mode, twice for pocket stitch, 3 times for pocket stitch type 2. After selecting the desired auto function type, press the S button to select how many stitches you want on each side. Once you've set your desired number, press the P button to return to the home position. Now try the auto function again, and yes, it's working perfectly. You can continue attaching your labels seamlessly, just like always.